try this one. Type it in the chat box, but don't press enter. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. We will read it as 3 10s. I think that might be the last one. Yeah. All right. So good job, everybody. So next part, I'm going to let y'all work with me on a few problems. Hold on a second. Get it pulled up real quick. All right. So let me make sure the screen is right. There you go. All right. So I'm gonna let y'all help me solve. All right. So first of all, I'm going to give you guys permission to unmute if I call on you. What's the same about all of these problems? We're going to compare and contrast. All right. So what do you notice is similar? What do you notice is different about each one of these problems? What do you notice, Morgan? Morgan, what do you notice is the same or different about these problems?
Because the same is that all of the numbers got 3 on each one, and for the zeros, it goes from 1, 2 to 3.
All right, so we're noticing that there's an increase in the number of zeros. With the first problem, it doesn't have a zero. The second problem has 1 0, then 2 zeros, then 3 zeros. What else do you notice, Jemiah Leonard?
I noticed that they all have a 3 in them, and they go from 3 ones, 3 tenths, 300s, and 3,000s.
All right, good observation. And what else do you notice, Micah?
Well,
4 times 3 is 12. Because there's no zero on 4 or 3, we read it as 4 1 times 3 1, and that gives us a total or a product of 12 1. All right, so we come to the second one, we still have 4 1, but we're multiplying it by 3 10. We'll read this number as 3 10. Now, 4 times 3 still is 12.
but you're going to add a zero.
Different this time.
You're going to add a zero.
I'm going to add a zero. And what do we call 1 0? What is 1 0's name?
A 10.
All right. So 4 1 times 3 equals 12
His mom said fans.
And 12 10
It's
It's 120. 1 120. 10.
Alright, so on our next one, we have those same four ones, but now it's times 300. There are two zeros, we will call it 100.
Make sure
Now
y'all
it
like and
doesn't
subscribe
change. 4
because
times 3 is still 12, but now our answer is 12. I'm listening.
I'll be posting some
100.
Loki Pokies videos. Well, not Loki Pokey, but Minecraft videos.
Alright, and 12
Loki Pokey is basically Minecraft.
And then our last one, we still have 4 ones. Times, except we have 3 zeros, we call it thousands.
12,000.
Good. We know now our answer is 12,000.
12,000.
Because it's 3 zeros.
Whoa.
Correct. Alright, so really quick, I'm gonna call on Braylon Mercy. How did knowing what 4 times 3, how did knowing that help you solve the rest of the problems? Because you knew 4 times 3, how did that help you solve the rest of those?
I knew that it helped me solve the rest of them by adding a certain amount of zeros.
Right. So then the only thing that we had to do as we moved on was however many zeros we saw, we added that same number of zeros to the end of our answer. So in the first problem, there were no answers, just 12. In the second problem, we saw 1 0, so we added a 0 behind 12, and so on, all the way until we got to those 3 zeros. All right. So really quick, I'm going to start jotting down just a few problems similar to that, and then I want y'all to type y'all's answers in the chat box.
Like make him stay and I'm chilling because I'm his dad.
All right. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to let you know when to go. So once you see a problem, you can start typing and don't press enter.
Grab it back on up on the I'm gonna try that home.
Start typing. One, two, three, go. All right, good. So we're multiplying our basic facts. 6 times 5, and 6 times 5 is 30, but there's that 10 we had.
I'm going to add another zero.
So we would read this as, most of you would read as 300, but another way we could read it is by calling it 30. All right, let's try another one. Type it in the chat box. Don't press enter. One, two, three, go. All right, again, we know that 6
All
times
right.
5 is 30, but we have 2 extra zeros, so we have to add those zeros as well. And our product becomes 3,000. Or you could read it as
I'm probably about to end my screen recording right now because this stuff messes up my Wi-Fi. Like, come on now, it makes my game lag.
They all mean the same thing. All right, last one. Type it in the chat box. Don't press enter. One, two, three, go.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. No way. No freaking possible way, bro.
So 6 times 5 is still 30. But then we have 3 zeros.
I literally just my Ivy lot
3
more.
zeros is 1,000. So we would read this as 30,000.
30,000.
All right, good
But
job.
I literally just man, I
I
feel
need
like
for
more.
y'all to turn to make sure that y'all have module 2. Does everybody have module 2? I think it should be inside that book. Yeah, those are modules 1 and 2. All right, so we're on module 2 and we're on lesson 1.
No, she's right at my door. I feel like more. One who plays Nexie and Micah and Marmite. I've got company.
It's on page 5.
Thank
No,
you.
no, 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 no.
It should be behind module 1.
Shut up. Stand up. No, 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 no. I'll go with you, okay?